Hi, I will show you real quick how to use MacVLAN networking with Docker. So let me go ahead and draw a couple of things for you. First of all, I will be using this IP class for the lab /24. And everything that I'm showing you here will be inside a virtual machine. So this is the boundary of my virtual machine. And I will have something like a couple of containers, let's say C1, C2, and C3, which are all connected to a MacVLAN Docker network, like this. I represented the MacVLAN network with this switch symbol. And the parent interface for this MacVLAN network would be something like ENP0S9, is the interface on my virtual machine, which in turn is connected to a physical interface, something like VBox2, which has the IP address 192.168.40.1. So that's the diagram. Let me go now and demonstrate these things in the CLI. First of all, let me check what links I have here. So I will be using this one as the parent interface. Let's see the addressing on this one. Sorry. It has something like a PIPA or something, but I don't really care about the IP addressing on this interface because I will only be using the layer 2 part of this. I don't care about IP. Let me go and check the Docker networks. Docker network. Alright, so I have the default networks here. And I will start now and I will create a MacVLAN interface. Docker network. What? Let me display the help real quick here. So the options that I'm interested in are this one: driver, gateway, subnet, and let me show you. Docker network create driver will be MacVLAN. Subnet will be 192.168.40.0/24, and gateway will be 192.168.40.1. Doesn't matter so much. I'm not going to be configure routing here. And the only important thing left is to specify the parent interface, which is ENP0S9. And the name of the network would be MacNet. So let's check that out. Here it is. Now I can go and create a container, Docker. Let me see what images I have here. I will just use Alpine. Alright, Docker container run name, let's say C1 network. I will be attaching, I should have also specified the tashable here. Let me see if it's working like this. Network MacNet. I will also be specifying an IP 192.168.40.10, let's say, and Alpine. That should be enough. Let's check things out. IP link, no, IP address, sorry. So it looks okay. Let's go and create another one, another container, docker container run, same as the first one, name C2 network MacNet IP 192.168.40.20, let's say. Alpine. And let's check the addressing on this one. Looks okay. Let's see if we can ping from one container to the other. 192.168.40.10. It looks like it's working. Now let me also ping to the IP of the physical interface, which is also configured as the gateway. It's not working. Let me show you why it's not working. I will go and duplicate this PuTTY session. And one condition for this is that the parent interface needs to be in promiscuous mode. Let's check that out. We need to specify the details for that. ENP0S9. So as you can see here, promiscuity is 0. Let's change that. IP link def ENP0S9 promisc on. Let's check again. Now I have promiscuity 1, and if you look over here, the ping seems to be working all right. Let's also check from the physical machine. I have one container with .10 and the other one with .20. So as you can see, it's working all right. So that's it, really quick. I hope you liked it, and I'm waiting for you in the next one. Bye bye.